Article 1 is the longest article in the Constitution, but it's almost over. We just have to tackle the last two sections. And they seem like they're full of boring stuff. Let's be honest here, these sections are pretty boring. But if you skip over them, you'll actually miss out on some really important stuff. Like what? Well, you'll see.
Welcome to the Constitution, for kids, by kids.
The privilege of the writ of habeas corpus shall not be suspended unless when in cases of rebellion or invasion, the public safety may require it. No bill of attainder or ex post facto law shall be passed. You might be thinking, it's all Greek to me. Actually, that's Latin. Let's start with the writ of habeas corpus. This clause says that you can't be imprisoned without charges against you unless in an extreme emergency. It helps keep the government in check. Otherwise, they could lock you up for no reason. The other really important clause in this section talks about bills of attainder and ex post facto laws. It says these types of laws cannot be passed. But what are they? These types of laws can punish you for doing something that wasn't illegal before the law was passed. Here's an example. One day, you eat some chocolate ice cream. Perfectly legal. There's no law against that. But then, the next day, Congress passes a law saying that anyone who eats or has ever eaten chocolate ice cream must pay $1 million. That would include you. Thankfully, with this clause, we don't have to worry about that. This is another way that the government is kept under control and our rights are protected. The rest of sections 9 and 10 is the boring stuff. To summarize it, these clauses basically prevent the states from doing the job of Congress and the rest of the federal government. For example, the states cannot print their own money because that's one of the powers given to Congress. Anyway, that's all for Article 1. Phew! Next time we'll start on Article 2. Don't worry, it's way shorter.
Thank you all for watching. I hope you learned something today.